This is not a passenger train. It is Japan's precision inspection platform for the world's fastest rail network. Inside this train is a fully equipped inspection lab. It monitors track alignment, vibration, and power stability across the network. Before every bullet train reaches full speed, this platform verifies the system behind it. Now, let's step inside the factory that makes it possible.
The 923 series enters the maintenance depot to initiate mechanical immobilization and high-voltage isolation procedures. Electrical power circuits are formally locked and tagged to establish a verified zero-energy state. Structural stability is confirmed through synchronized chocking, grounding, and controlled lifting alignment.
The inspection platform is now fully isolated and secured for diagnostic sensor calibration and geometry measurement preparation. High-pressure water systems initiate controlled surface decontamination of the yellow inspection fairings.
Mechanical scrubbing eliminates residual grease films from precision optical mounting zones.
The aerodynamic inspection nose now meets optical cleanliness standards for controlled diagnostic hardware integration.
Controlled hydraulic elevation provides stable structural clearance for precise bogey positioning operations.
Stabilized elevation maintains precise chassis geometry before underbody hardware preparation proceeds. Mechanical positioning of the bogey assemblies is finalized, establishing stable structural clearance for controlled sensor mounting integration.
Laser emitters map the bogey frame to a fixed coordinate system for sub-millimeter alignment.
Micrometer verification confirms bracket offsets remain within tolerance before optical geometry calibration proceeds. Leveling jigs hold the calibrated plane stable, so laser mapping remains repeatable across Bogey reference points. Calibration is complete, leaving a stable mechanical reference for controlled installation of measurement hardware mounts. Roof-mounted sensor assemblies are mechanically validated under simulated overhead dynamic loading conditions. Overhead calibration is complete, establishing mechanical readiness for verification of lower contact interface systems. Piezoelectric accelerometers are mechanically integrated into axle box housings to monitor precise wheel-to-rail contact behavior. Robust mechanical fastening prevents conduit movement under sustained structural vibration loads. Axle box instrumentation is complete, establishing stable vibration tracking, ready for structured internal signal routing integration.
High-density rack installation establishes the primary mechanical framework for structured diagnostic signal distribution.
Structured cable management is mechanically secured to prevent signal instability under sustained operational vibration loads. Mechanical segregation of signal pathways ensures stable transmission integrity across the integrated diagnostic network. structured signal architecture is mechanically stabilized, preparing the platform for secure hardware mounting and vibration-controlled equipment fixation.
Mechanical integration of the data acquisition platform begins by securing mission-critical workstations to the structural floor.
Shock-isolated hardware mounting is finalized to protect processing units from sustained structural vibration loads. Hardware stabilization is complete. The system is now structurally prepared for precision timing validation.
Sensor synchronization begins as each diagnostic node links to the central timing reference.
Time alignment validation confirms sub-microsecond precision across all 7 railcars.
Global timing alignment is complete. The system is ready for controlled dynamic verification.
Controlled roll simulation begins as the wheel sets rotate while the vehicle body remains stationary.
Sensor response is verified under simulated rotational load conditions. Data integrity is confirmed as synchronized inputs are processed under simulated dynamic conditions.
Static dynamometer simulation is complete. All onboard diagnostic systems are mechanically validated within the controlled depot environment. Final quality sign-off begins with torque verification paint applied to confirm all structural fasteners are secured. Surface cleaning removes residual debris. The aerodynamic nose is prepared for final inspection.
Sealed readiness and full mechanical integrity are confirmed within the controlled maintenance environment.
Engineered for accuracy, the inspection train protects infrastructure reliability at operational speed. NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.